welcome today to School for the Fool. Today in class, we're going to be doing a review on the Starman Tarot. I love it. It is super bright. It is super vibrant. First of all, it comes in a box like this. Okay? Lightning bolt. Lightning bolt. You can also read the story of how it all happened on the back. Starman Tarot is by David DeAngelis and Esther DeAngelis. They are a couple based on his artworks. This deck is also dedicated to their daughter. It's a beautiful, beautiful dedication. It touched my heart. I love things like that. Those special touches really, really make a deck unique, and you can connect that much more to the experience. And I really like that. I really like the creative side of things. I know there's many people that love the tradition of tarot, and yes, that is great. But the whole theory of evolving is creating something new. And this deck is so vibrant, it's so modern, it's beautiful. Alrighty, so you can see how vibrant and alive the artwork actually is. He created the tarot deck after David passed. Inspired by the artworks he created working with the famous musician. Love the vibrant pink. The book as well. Dedication. Table of contents. The journey. All about the artwork. And of course, these wonderful in-depth meanings of the cards, as well as if you flip to the side, beautiful, beautiful, big blown up picture of the card, as well as this hot pink definition of the card you can flip to help you while you're learning the cards. Like, those cards are vibrant, colorful, and they're alive. Take you to another realm. And the backs, very shiny. The first thing that you'll notice different in this deck, we have the Sacred Clown. The Starman. And the Alien. And the meaning behind this card is definitely worth picking up this deck to check out. I think it's time we grab this deck, go find a group of locals, do a little review and a mini reading. I'll see you there. Let's review it. Let's give these guys the tarot and see what they have to say.
Alrighty.
Do you see the energy?
Okay,
Do you see the energy represented by each card, like what you're doing? That has more energy than that. But it still is relevant.
It's meant to even fun.
Remember the order that you picked out your cards to.
Okay, so you're gonna let the light in. You're gonna see higher self. You're amazing. High five. High five.
It's good. This one's sick.
Yo, it's all sick. You're gonna go out of here and you're not gonna be happy. You'll never be happy.
Yeah.
You are the type of person you need to be rooted. See how you're gonna be rooted by the clarity? Please watch this.
Hi, Bear.
Rooted. You need to know that first and foremost out of anything because you're the Starman.
Look at his legs.
I don't even know, like, bro, you're the Starman.
You're the star, man.
Okay, I want you to see. Clarity does not mean logical.
Yeah.
Clarity means you have the gift of the divine and you use your intuition. You have very smarts about you. But you grow that, you grow that. Are you watching yourself grow? Because you're going to manifest. And then you're going to explode by the wheel. Because your wheel of fortune is going to turn. But do not lose what makes you special.
Yeah.
Don't ever lose what makes you special because that's what's lighting you up. Do you see the following? You can actually see what's lighting you up. Watch this.
It's like watching a story.
It's like watching a story.
Like
Watch.
watching a flip book.
Watch.
God, this is crazy.
Yeah, it's even crazier, bro. You see what's happening?
Through the stages, right? What did you say? It's like a flip book?
Yeah, it's like a flip book.
That's incredible, but this is what gets crazy. Are you ready for this?
Yeah. Let them do
The
it.
bam. You gotta light this up with that. Now I want you to look at the synchronicities with justice. You're gonna give yourself justice by your mental clarity. You are so intelligent if you listen to higher self. Look at what you're gonna do. You're gonna give yourself justice, a whole new life. Now break this up. Watch, I want you to see this. See the Wheel of Fortune?
Yeah.
Judgment and the Wheel of Fortune. Look at what you are doing. Are you watching what you're doing?
Yeah.
Are you watching
What
this?
happened? What happened to
Okay,
Misty?
watch this.
So wet.
Okay, are you ready for the finale?
Bro, what
Yeah.
the heck is happening in there?
Yeah. What?
I don't know what you're doing,
You're like a
Yeah.
genie, bro.
but whatever you're doing, you are awakening New Earth.
Give me your butt.
This is the man of New Earth. This is the man of a healer.
Yeah.
This man is connected to nature. He's connected to source. He's connected to other people. He's connected to planets. He knows how to heal. He knows how to talk.
Yeah.
He knows how to go deep. He knows how to come back.
This is like a psychic thing, but like.
But you saw yourself, right? You just saw yourself. It's a psychic thing, but you just saw yourself flash in
I'm
front of your
sold.
face.
I am sold. Wow.
Yeah.
There's quite
This is the
a there's
best
quite
boost
yeah.
I've ever had in
There's
Tarot.
actually quite a
Best
there's
tarot
quite
I've ever
a
had ever.
Okay.
It's like,
Think about the cards and how do you
Yo.
feel?
I needed perfect moment, perfect time.
Amen.
It was perfect. It
Perfect.
So I'm
was
old.
mind blowing.
Mind blowing.
Very like.
What's up, God? I'm an old man.
But it's because it's true.
It's
Yeah,
odd.
man.
It's because it is truth. It's because it's odd and weird. It's sick.
All right.
It's the truth. Nothing
So
is
would you say you came out of a positive experience?
100%.
It's for
That's
those.
the best like serotonin release I got. Yeah.
Please.
That's some boost me to the max.
Hey.
It's clarity. It's a sense of clarity.
Clarity. That's what we like to hear.
I would like to thank you for joining me here today at School for the Fool. I will be doing my sun side readings for December this month using this deck. It will be incorporated into the readings. If you're interested, please like, subscribe. Thank you, and take care.